we have Anil Malhotra, who has written to us from Delhi. He's holding about 3,430 shares of Reliance Industries at an average price of 785 rupees per share. He's asking the best price at which he should sell the entire quantity, and he's willing to wait for a period of 6 months. So, with a 6-month time frame, what will your view be, Kunal, on Reliance Industries?
I would suggest a hold, and with a 6 month time frame, I think maybe closer to 1460, 1520 could be a target range which you can eye for Reliance Industries. But again, I think since you purchased at such lower prices, I don't see any reason why you should be looking to exit the stock unless you have something else which could be as good as a quality for the markets like Reliance Industries. I think only then I would suggest to make that switch. Otherwise, if you're looking at this at just a short term play, then I would suggest 1460 to 1520 as a target range for Reliance Industries over the next 6 months. That's where you can look to exit.
All right, so that's the take coming in on Reliance Industries. This one is from Kusuma, writing to us from Pune. Jindal Steel and Power, 15 shares at a price of 930 rupees per share. Kunal, what's the 1 month outlook for this one? Should she hold for the next 1 month, or any alternate stock which can give her 10% upside in the next 1 month?
It's possible that General Steel and Power could, surprise move on the upside. I think the stock has been doing pretty well, except for the news flow, I think, which has been going on for the metal counters over the last few days, where there's been some bit of added volatility. I would believe that the stock looks quite attractive. I would suggest a hold.
Okay, so Jindal Steel hold rating coming in from Kunal, but we have Dixon Technology in the spotlight next, and Anita, who has written to us from Pune. She's holding some shares which were bought at 15,735 rupees per share. She's asking whether she should continue holding this position or sell out. Kunal, what will your view be on Dixon Tech?
I'll suggest to exit Dixon Tech. I think the charts for the stock is weakening. By the day, even on the short-term charts, there is a bearish crossover which has happened. The 50 DMS crossed below the 200-day moving average, and it still looks like that the stock is getting weak on the charts. The drift down for the stock after the breakout, I think, is the more concerning nature for the stock price. I would suggest an exit.
All right, so that's the take coming on Dixon Tech. It's an exit coming in for Kunal. Balkrishnan is writing to us from Chennai, wants to know whether he should buy Nalco or Hindalco from the long-term perspective. And, surprisingly today, we've got a lot of queries coming in for the metal pack in particular. Rajesh, now the choice between Nalco and Hindalco, which one would you go for?
Both are good stocks, no doubt on that, doing very well. For Nalco, at least the dividend yield is very good. But given a choice to hold for a long term, I would prefer going with Hindalco, because not only the domestic operations, but even the international numbers, the foreign subsidiaries this time has come to good. At these levels, I think there are a lot of upside going ahead. So maybe somebody is willing to hold for a 1 year time horizon or maybe more. It's a good buy.